Hello everyone again, and in this video I'm going, let me just like this, I'm going to work on the tank himself. So on the last video I work the turret, as you can see. Now let's do the same thing on this one. Always starts on the bottom of the tank. As you can see, I got here this tool. This is a model from Tamiya. You have these problems here. You don't have here the no plastic right here, but I have no problem with that. So I want to show you guys how to make all the painting work, the weathering, and I think you're going to enjoy it. This big one. Here too. On this side, here too. On the fenders. On this plate too. You see, I don't worry too much to be precise because we want random. So guys, we are back for business again. So I make a little video on Facebook for the guys who don't have the Patreon to see what I'm doing at the moment, and for you, my patrons, to see what you can see on the video later. So now I'm going to use the olive drab, the number 9, so it's the more dark color. And of course, as you can see, I don't do nothing on the bottom. Of course, now you are thinking I'm going to put another layer of the olive drab base. No. Now I go with the brownish green, okay, and make another layer very thin, because let's see, okay, it's really good on the bottom. I will show you. Nice. Let me see. You see this grill? Let's put more of this olive. The thing you are taking the photo, it's very bright. So now let me show you more close, guys, and you guys can see. You see the panel lines, really nice. So when you are doing the weathering, it's going to help a lot. And you can see here the difference from this green for this green. It's what we want. You can see here on the sides we have more bright on the bottom and more dark there. So this is what we want. The wheels are, because they move, they are really nice to, really easy to paint, and I will show you in the video, of course, how I paint it, and we put the tracks later. So guys, if you have any questions, just ask me. I will put a varnish on top of this, okay, but it is going to be for another video where I put the decals on this, and I want you guys to show you that. Remember, when you are going to put the filters, if you are putting acrylics or oils, before of that put the decals, okay? Because if you make the filters all that work with the filters and some fading of the panels, when you put the decals, it's going to pop up and it's going to be very new, and you don't want new, you want the decals to be more faded, okay? So for that you need to put the decals first, and then you put the filters and the fade panels with oils or acrylics or whatever you want, okay? So on this vehicle, because it's an olive drab, this normally it's my technique I do for this, and for other greens like the British green I use a different technique, okay, because it's more golden, okay, it's more like this brownish green, so it's another way. And as you can see, I don't use now the interior light green for the highlights, because I'm going to do the highlights with oils, okay, and I'm going to use oils from Atlung, and you guys going to see that, and I know you guys want to see that. So we stay here for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Remember, questions you can send me via Patreon or via my my WhatsApp, okay? You guys are all in the WhatsApp and make the questions about that, okay? Yes, and today we stay for here, okay? So bye guys, and I catch you up later.